To deposit funds into your trading account, follow these simple steps. Log into your dashboard. Click on the Deposit button. Enter the amount you wish to deposit, then click Submit. You'll be presented with multiple deposit options. Fill in your deposit details. Acknowledge the terms and conditions by ticking the checkbox. Then click on Deposit. Please don't close this window. You will be redirected back once the transaction is completed in a new window. Once the transaction is approved, a confirmation window will appear. To finish, click Done. Thank you.